start every video by being like, look at my kitchen, but it's probably like the 8th video going out by now. But still, if you haven't been here before, welcome to the Madhouse. Today, we are celebrating Pancake Day. Now, I feel like I've done every single pancake recipe under the sun, but I'm going to give a pancake recipe a go that I have not tried before. And this is a Japanese pancake. So it's almost more like a souffle pancake. Really soft and squidgy, super tall, super proud, and hopefully very, very delicious. Ideally for this recipe, you need muffin rings. However, I haven't got any. And I feel like this might do as good a job. So we're gonna start off with our dry ingredients first. We're going to chuck in 150 grams of self-raising flour. I have already sifted this, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. Now you could go golden caster sugar, but it needs to be caster, not granulated. Give that a little mix together, just make sure those ingredients are combined. We're now going to move on to our wet ingredients. So I've got 2 eggs here. To get that lovely souffle lightness to your pancake, we're going to separate them. Put your whites into a nice big bowl because we're going to whip them. There it is, there it is. Okay, so once you've got it separated, to your yolks, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Get yourself the good stuff. You won't regret it if you do. And 180 mils of whole milk. 180. I'm gonna pour the milk into our yolky vanilla-y mix, and we're also gonna go in there with 1 tablespoon of rapeseed oil. You want a neutral tasting oil, give that a mix through. Okay, once you've given it a semi-mix, we are now going to add our wet mix into our dry mix. Lovely. Get your whisk. Let's get some air in here. We're then going to take our egg whites and give those a whisk. And we want to get these to nice kind of fluffy white peaks. Okay, we're now going to pour our whisked egg whites into our other batter mixture. I'm going to actually stir this in to try and keep some of that air in. Beautiful. Just keep it light, keep it fluffy. Lovely, lovely. Now, unlike a traditional pancake mixture, we do not need to let this set. In fact, that is the last thing we want to do. We don't want to leave it to stand in the fridge or anything like that. You want to use it as quickly as possible. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in a bowl, and either using a pastry brush, or some kitchen roll, just dab it in and just give yourself a nice thin layer of oil in your pan. And you just want to oil the inside of your ramekin as well. Now, you are looking for a pan with a lid. This is quite important because what you're going to end up doing is almost like steaming them a little bit. And you want to be filling up your rings to 3/4 full. You're going to keep your heat on a very low heat, and you're actually going to cover them for 10 of your finest minutes. And we've got, so I look like I've got a shield. Good luck. I mean, you're leaking quite badly, but we'll just... Okay, it has been 10 minutes in their little Dutch oven. They have risen. They're starting to get lovely little air bubbles. We are now going to attempt to flip them. They're easy to move, okay? Oh, yeah, yeah! Okay, rotate, rotate. 1, 2, 3. Right, back on. 2 minutes on this side. And then we're ready to attempt to hilariously remove them from the rings. It's gone very well. There is a lovely lightness to the mixture. They just need a little bit of loosening from the edge. Oh! Oh! Oh mate, they're really good. I mean, it's the fluffiest, fattest pancake I've ever eaten in my life. Let's give it a go. It's so light and fluffy and delicious. The inside of it is so light and cloud-like, and yet you've got that almost nice kind of like crispy crust to it. Well done, Japanese pancakes. It's like a cloud. Like a savoury flump. If you have made pancakes this fine pancake day, please tag me using the hashtag Pancake.Pix. P-I-X. Hopefully you know that though, because you're on this channel. Anyway, I want to see them. Give this a go. That is a very cool, fun, exciting recipe, and I seriously urge you to give it a try. And go eat your body weight in eggs and flour. It's just not even there. It's so good. I've eaten it all.